Hi, this is Bill Vilberg with another episode in the Fun Friday Videos series. Today I want to talk about Dropbox. Dropbox is a little utility that you can add to Windows, Mac, or Linux machines that lets you store material on your computer that's automatically backed up to the cloud and that you can reach from any other computer. So let me show it to you, show you how to use it, and then talk about the installation procedure. Now, the whole trick to Dropbox is this little indicator down here that is the Dropbox icon. And it shows me a little green check mark that says that all of my files are up to date. I can click on it. I can open the Dropbox folder, and it just looks like a normal folder. I can put things into it. You can see all the check marks, means that they're up to date. And I can work on them, make changes to them, and it'll be automatically updated on any computer that I have, and I can get to it from the web. So let me take this radiolab.txt file here and just add another line. I'm going to close it. It's going to ask me if I want to save it. I do. And you can see, if you look at the icon very carefully, that it was blue for a second and then turned green. It's now green again here. It's been updated. It's been synced to the web. If I go to another computer in which I've installed Dropbox and configured it with my username and password, it will automatically sync any changes and have a copy of that computer, of that file, stored on that computer. So I can work on that file or any file in this folder, any of these files at all, from any computer that I own in which I've installed Dropbox and configured it for my account. I can also get to Dropbox. They have a Dropbox website. I'm going to open it now over here. You can download Dropbox, or you can log in. The first time you'd come here, you'd download Dropbox, install it. Remember, Windows, Mac, Linux, oh yes, and an iPhone version as well that I use. First time you'd come here, you'd download it, but after that you just log in. So I'm going to log in to my Dropbox account right now. I'm going to click the Remember Me button so I don't have to log in again. And I'm going to log in. And there are the same 5 folders that we just looked at. Here's my Documents folder. I open it up. Here's that Radiolab file. I click on it. And there is the line that I just added. This is being saved in Dropbox. I can open it and just look at it and use it in the web, or I can check the box for this or any other files or a whole folder, go to More Actions, and download the file to my computer. So if I was in a classroom and I had all of my PowerPoints in Dropbox, I could open the Dropbox website at dropbox.com, go into my PowerPoint folder for my class, find the file for today's lecture, check on it, or check the box, and download the file to that computer and use it there. I can also upload files, so if I make changes to it somewhere and then want to save it, I can upload it back to the Dropbox, to my Dropbox area. Now, by default, I get 2 gigabytes of free space, and if you pay more, you can get more space. I've got 2 gigabytes and 4% of it, 81 megabytes, is in use. I don't have a lot of big files that I've got up here. I've got things that I was working on different computers. So in fact, one of the ways that I use Dropbox is as a replacement for SneakerNet. Do you ever have a file on one computer in your house or at work or whatever that you want to get to another computer? Well, I just drop it in Dropbox, turn to the other computer, literally within seconds, it will be on that computer. Not just access from the web, but actually put on that computer. So I have a copy of that file on every computer that I have Dropbox in, and I can get to it from any other computer by going to the website. So Dropbox is a terribly valuable thing. It's free for the 2 gigabytes of storage. I encourage you to take a look at it. I use it all the time for the material that I'm doing, where I'm doing a report or I'm doing a PowerPoint or something like that. So that's Dropbox from Dropbox.com. This is Bill Vilberg. I do the FunFridayVideos.com series of trainings and interesting things from the web. Have a great week.